Wake up world, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today. Today is Thrifty Thursday. You should know by now that I am a big thrift store shopper. I'm a bargain shopper, and I love my 99-cent only stores and my Dollar Trees, okay? I shop at, Target, Dollar Spot, the sale places, TJ Maxx, Ross, all those different things, occasionally when I need to shop. But my absolute go-tos are always thrift stores, retail shops, outlets, like big outlets, not like outlet malls, but like furniture outlet stores where they, I shop at those stores because I love to craft. Not only that, we gonna save our bottom dollar. If we can get quality at a great price, then so be it. That is what I encourage. That is what I support. And by doing so on Thrifty Thursdays, that is the point of these videos. So y'all know what's out there, what to be looking for, or just to come and enjoy my channel, okay? So go ahead and stay tuned to this video, because this is just a touch and a tease of what's to come on Thrifty Thursdays. So it won't only just be hauls of what is purchased, but this is where the DIYs and the crafts and all of that good stuff's gonna be here on Thursdays. So if that's what you're into, you're interested in those things, those will be on Thursdays for Thrifty Thursdays. You guys know here on my channel now, every day has its own show, and today's show is Thrifty Thursday. Hope you enjoy this 99-cent store haul and some of the goodies that come along with that, okay? I know, the comeback is real. Y'all thinking I'm gonna come back with this big bang and all that good stuff. And this is all I have for you? This is all I have? Let's just jump right into it. As I explained earlier in the video, let's just go ahead and jump right into it, because there's a lot of different tidbits and good bits that it's going to be here on this video and this in my channel for this day for you guys. So this is an extremely small 99-cent store haul, but as I stated, this is a combination situation to get everything popping off with the big bang comeback, okay? You guys know crafting is what it is. Double-sided tape, you guys know I have to have my double-sided tape. This is a must-have. This brand, the Scotch brand double-sided tape, 99 cents a piece, okay? Crafting, drinking, whatever. These little cups can't come in handy for everything. They just come in handy. And we do have a water spout that you serve yourself at. So it just comes in handy for like every multiple things in my house. 99 cents for 30 cups. They are not BPA free or whatnot, so I don't try to drink out of them or let the kids drink out of them, but they're still extremely purposeful. Moving on, I have some mailing. Support USPS. Guys, we need to support our postal system, okay? But that's what these are for. We got some family pictures taken, so now we're going to support our local post office by mailing those off. These giant envelopes is a pack of 4 for 99 cents, okay? Moving on to the food items, you see I already had to dig into this. Smooth Cold Brew Taste, the Honest Company. It's one of those brands that don't add all the extra chemicals, preservatives, all that kind of stuff, even their leaves where they grow, the different pesticides and chemicals or whatnot, they tend not to use. White peach and apricot, organic black tea. Is it the best sweet, good, great old Southern sweet tea? Absolutely not. I'm a tea drinker. I like tea. This is good, but if of course you're looking for something basic, super sweet on the palate, not so much. I have not had the Simply Peach. I love the Simply Raspberry. And I don't think I've just had the basic Simply Tea with lemon. These were 99 cents a piece. This large jug was actually $1.99. The world we live in and the economy that we live in, everything is going up, okay? 90% of everything in the 99-cent store is still, I take that back. Let's drop it down to like 87% of everything in the 99-cent store is still 99 cents. And it also does vary per 99-cent store that you go to, okay? Different ones have different prices. I know there's a 99-cent store I can go to where this would have been 99 cents, maybe even 2 for 99 cents. But the one that I happened to have visited, this was $1.99. I felt it was worth it because I really wanted to taste it. So, and this would still retail easy for $3 to $4 plus at a regular retail store, as well as these by themselves. Retail at least $2 plus by themselves. This is new. We've got some cauliflower, veggie, and mozzarella bites. No Meat Monday side dish. Let's go ham and see what it's talking about. I hope you all are exploring all the no meat options out there. I hope you're being realistic with yourself. All these McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger Kings, Sonic's, all of those places with all of that meat and all those burgers, there's not enough cows in the world, not just in the United States, but in the world to supply that kind of meat to anyone anywhere. Oh, it's okay. It's meat and what? It's meat, yes, and what? Food for thought. Moving on, pears. These organic pears were 99 cents a bag. You guys see that? There is roughly 2, 4, 6, 7, at least 7 in a pack. 2 pounds, okay? This one looks like it has more than 8 in it, but they were 99 cents a piece, okay? The apples, you guys know I do the apples and sometimes oranges from there, but this kind of produce from there. And this bag is still at $1.99. So please stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video because they had so much great fall stuff there. Guys, I had to get y'all to check it out. Y'all know me, I love fall. It's not hot, it's not cold, the warm colors. Autumn, I love autumn. Okay, guys? So, y'all know it's some great stuff coming because I love autumn. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and the bell so you don't miss a video on Thrifty Thursday. If this is your thing, the Thrifty Thursday videos will be up on Thursday, okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Be good to yourself so you can be good to others. Fill your cup so it can run over. If your cup is not filled, you don't have anything to give anyone else. All right? Peace and blessings, guys. Ciao. guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Did you see all those treats? Wait till next week when you see all the treats that I dug into. This was just a tease and a taste. Next week, all of the fall hauls and all that good stuff that we're going to be decorating for autumn this year. You guys know I love autumn. I love fall. And I
love winter. Well, I love when the sun comes.
If you all are enjoying my channel, don't forget to share, like and thumbs up the video, but mainly subscribe. You must subscribe, guys. If you do not subscribe, you will miss the videos. Not only that, subscribe, hit the bell on the side. Subscribe down low, hit the bell so you don't miss any videos, okay? Be good to each other. Be good to yourself so you can be good to others. Peace and blessings. Until next time. Ciao.